U Presiden ka MPCC ba Vincent H. Pala, ulaong ba Kennedy C. Kriam, u badai u MLA barim na ka party Congress, ula Kular ba unam ya ka party Congress. Habakren syakilat pathai khubor, uba Pala ule Iathuh badai shisha baladon ka jingpen bor ya uba Kennedy Kriam, na ki nongkershan ki bakwa ba unya kon ya ka election arjar arpulai na ka weipat ka party, Henry udai ban husiar ba lada let sya ka weipat ka party, ba lada ujob kan bha, Henry yodai tang kabut jong ka wei ka party.
I called him and he said there's a pressure from some of his supporters who want him to contest from other parties. But I told him as a friend, you have to be very careful because if you go to other party, if you're going to contest, if you win, all right, otherwise maybe you are in the trap of other parties. So I think he's a very seasoned and a very senior member of the party. He'll think about it. But he's not a kid. He's been fighting the election for so many times. He has lost, he has won. I think he knows his position well better than me. But I don't want to say much because to me he promised that he'll be staying with the party.